Well, the weather's certainly starting to look a lot better on this Friday than what we've seen the past several days. Cold front finally made its way down to the coast. That's the one that's kind of been hanging around and creating all the heavy rain that we've had in East Texas lately. At least it's a big part of focusing that rain on East Texas. And today that disturbance finally slid along that front to the east. Still getting some severe thunderstorm warnings in effect for northern portions of Florida as well as the southeast part of Georgia there. I don't see any tornado warnings right now, but we've had them just within the past 15 to 30 minutes over that part of the country. Futurecast at lunchtime says that we're going to be looking good in East Texas. Lots of sunshine there. We'll pick up some cloud cover during the overnight hours, and Saturday morning we should have some cloud cover but still be able to get some sun down to the ground. During the afternoon the clouds will start to thicken up a bit, and on Sunday the showers and thunderstorms will be ready to move back in, and we're going to see those at the end of the weekend and the first part of next week. Could be some more heavy rain along with that. That'll be coming into the area, and maybe by the end of next week anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of rain will be possible. Here you see Monday 6 o'clock, some more showers and thunderstorms in the area. Right now no definite mention of severe weather, but again things could come together, and that is possible, so we'll be watching to see if anything like that is added to the forecast next week. Here's our temperatures right now. We are showing readings mostly in the upper 60s to mid 60s with that north wind, and that of course means some drier air being tapped into, so those dew point temperatures are in the upper 50s to the lower 60s as you move down to the southern part of the area. You remember yesterday we were seeing dew points across the board well into the 70s, indicating the abundant moisture that has been in place for quite some time across East Texas. Our forecast highs for today say we'll go to the low 80s to the north and perhaps some mid 80s as you move down into deep East Texas. Saturday morning, a low temperatures near 60 degrees along the interstates. You go to the Interstate 30, you'll be down into the upper 50s for those lows, and then in the deep East Texas area, perhaps some mid 60s for low temperatures there, but all in all, still pretty comfortable. Saturday afternoon, see our temperatures low 80s to high 70s across the area, and that's getting closer to what we expect to see this time of the year. High temperature expected today, 82 degrees. We'll have sunny skies and a northeasterly wind around 10 miles per hour, still tapping into that somewhat drier and cooler air. Low temperature 60 degrees tonight, a partly cloudy sky, northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, and tomorrow will be partly cloudy with a high near 79, east winds near 5 miles per hour. Your long range forecast got that next chance for showers and thunderstorms at the end of the weekend and early in the week, and then sunny skies for Tuesday before another system starts to move through, another disturbance there at the middle to the end of the week with more showers and thunderstorms. Long range forecast for deep East Texas, well, pretty much the same. You'll have a chance for showers and thunderstorms at the end of the weekend and early in the week as well as later in the week, and temperatures warming back into the 80s. Fox51.com is our website, and you can find that forecast there anytime.